Perco 2-line price gun print options. Easy to load, easy to use, first time, every time. The Perco 2-line price gun allows you to print up to 2 lines of information and apply it quickly and easily time after time. With 2 lines of print, this gun offers many options. It can be used to print code and price per quantity, price and code plus price and code. Simply turn the knob to change the price or code. The labels are easy to load, and the chamber holds a roll of 1,000 labels, allowing you to mark product after product. Perco 2-line price gun, easy to load, easy to use, first time, every time.